Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install Freshmoves for Minecraft 26.1. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser, then you just need to write Freshmoves, click the mod link, then go to versions and select latest one. And don't worry that it says 121.4, it will work with 26.1. And here you have two options. First one with animated eyes and this one without animated. So if you want to, you can download with animated eyes, but then you need to upload those eyes to basically directory. So what I like to do here is to play without it. So download without animated eyes. And then once it's downloaded, then click on that particular file. And then we should need to know about dependencies, right? So with this, you need to have a few more basically mods. So we need to have EMP, EMV, and ETF mod. So simply copy, just write mod, entity model features, click on it, go to versions, platform, select fabric, game versions 26.1, and download latest one. Then we need to have a ETF. So again, ETF mod, click on it, game versions, select platform fabric, game version 26.1, and download it. Then you need to hover your mouse here on mods, then just download Fabric API as well. Go to versions, game versions 26.1, and download Fabric API. And the last thing that we need to download it is Fabric installer. So you just need to go to fabricmc.net, press download, download for Windows, and then once you have these files, you need to press on Fabric installer. But before you do so, make sure your Minecraft launcher and Minecraft itself is completely closed. Wait for a couple of seconds and then install, right? Then what you need to do here is to launch Minecraft launcher. Go to Minecraft Java Edition, installations here, Fabric Loader 26.1, open installations folder. Then you need to look for mods. If you don't see mods folder, you just need to press create new folder and name it mods. Then you need to drag and drop these three files here. I already have it, so I will replace it. Then you need to just launch Minecraft with Fabric Loader 26.1. And then once you're in game, you need to press escape, go to options, resource packs, and drag and drop Freshmoves here, right? And press yes. Then you need to select, right? It should be selected. And then you just need to press done here. Wait for a couple of seconds. And yeah, that's basically what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.